Miss Tessa, she's the bomb. Like, she's literally the bomb. Like, she's the wig that you throw on. Your man ain't acting right. You grab Miss Tessa out the closet and you let him know what it is and what it ain't gonna be, okay? Hello there, beautiful people. It's your favorite fashionista here, the Ashley Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And on this channel, we discuss all things both beauty and fashion in hopes that you might find affordable quality products and, most importantly, discover the beauty within. And before I jump into today's video, I just want to spread some love and encouragement and let you know that you are beautiful, you are blessed, and you are popping, and don't feel like you don't matter. You woke up today and you're watching this video, so that means you have work to do and you're gonna do something great and amazing. So now that we are motivated, pumped up, and ready to go, we are gonna get into today's wig review. You guys, I'm super duper excited because this video is actually gonna be a 3-part video. I picked up 3 different wigs from the same company. I wanted to test out a couple of different styles, so without further ado, we're just gonna snatch this bad boy right off and get into the wig review. Alright, you guys, so like I was saying, I did pick up 3 wigs from the Janet collection. This is their blown out lace wig collection, and they have high definition lace. So 2 things that definitely did draw me to this wig collection was the blowout texture and the high definition lace. If you have not seen my best wig review ever that I uploaded a couple of weeks ago, definitely make sure you check out that video. That video kind of inspired me to try more textured wigs just because, I mean, realistically, my hair is a kinky curly texture, so why not get wigs that match my texture? So I definitely have been loving that wig, so I was super duper excited to try another brand with that same concept. The first wig in this Janet blowout collection that I'm trying out is called the style Tessa. I did pick her up in the color 1B. I really love a nice clean cut black bob on me, so I'm super duper excited to try this out. I am going to a wedding later on this week, so definitely make sure you tune into my Instagram to see the pictures of the full beat glam with the wig for the wedding. But anyways, we're just gonna open her up out of the box. Okay, Jenny got her stuck up in here. They don't want me to put her on. Why is this so? Y'all, I'm not over exaggerating. This thing is kind of hard to get out. Hey, you guys, can we just do a quick shout out to the skin? Like, you guys, if y'all have not seen my skincare routine for the morning, for the night, and for my hydrating skincare routine before I put my makeup on, definitely make sure that you check those videos out because, you guys, I'm not lying. I've been getting way more consistent lately with those routines, making sure I do them every morning and night, and I mean, baby, I'm just saying, we don't even need to apply makeup today, but I got some makeup coming for y'all this week, so definitely make sure y'all stay tuned so that way y'all know when the makeup video drops, because it's dropping this week. Alright, so again, like I said, I picked up the style Tessa and 1B. She also comes in 1B30 chocolate hazel. So this is just what the stock card looks like. I am going to turn it around so that way y'all can see those colors that I was mentioning. And I also want y'all to get a close-up of how they say their texture is compared to others. So you see they're showing that they're giving us real natural yaki blown out vibes. And again, these are the different colors that Miss Tessa comes in. So already just looking at the wig out the box, the lace is brown, which I appreciate that because it makes it a lot easier for me to actually melt this into my skin and for it to look more realistic. Alright, you guys, so we do only have 1 part of lace down the middle of this wig. Now, I'm also going to show you guys how to shift this wig from left to right if you don't want to wear this wig in a middle part, but you do have the middle part of lace down the middle. We also have 2 combs in the front, and I believe we have a comb. Yes, we do. We have a comb in the nape area as well. And this wig also comes with adjustable straps. You guys already know that I try to stay away from the combs as much as possible to save our edges and the nape of our hair. line, but if you do need that extra security, go ahead and use it. Just tugging on it, it feels like it's going to be a big head friendly wig, but we are getting ready to see. But just looking at the texture, it does literally look like how my hair would look like blown out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this wig on for you guys. Okay, so let's see about this. Can't even find the lace. Okay. So I am going to secure this comb in the back of the nape area, just so that way my wig stays in place. Just running my fingers through this wig feels super duper soft. I was not expecting it to feel this soft, just because it is a yucky texture wig. I'm liking how I'm just running my fingers through it and I'm not getting any tangles. I can say that shorter synthetic wigs do not, for me personally, do not tangle as much as longer synthetic wigs, and especially straight shorter synthetic wigs. I rarely get tangles with short synthetic wigs. Oh gee, y'all, I'm getting tongue tied today. I rarely get tangles with short synthetic wigs as compared to longer synthetic wigs, especially straight. So we're just gonna get a little bit close and look at this lace before we actually begin to cut. Now, like I said, I'm appreciating that it's brown, but it is a little bit too dark compared to my skin complexion. So I'm probably gonna add a little bit of makeup to see what that does. But overall, the hairline does not look too bad. It's not super dense right here, so we might not have to pluck out a lot of hair. But just looking at the lace overall, it is a tad bit too dark. But you already know, we're gonna finesse that, we're gonna work that. And the parting space is very natural. I like the part. It doesn't look super duper straight. To me personally, a super duper straight part just screams wiggy. So I'm loving that, the density of the part. Like, it's not one straight line, like they kind of made it mimic a natural part. So far I'm liking that. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is cut the lace off for you guys, and then we're gonna decide. Now typically when I wear a bob, I don't wear baby hairs, but I'm feeling like that's what I want to do today. I kind of want to do baby hairs with this wig, so that's what I'm going to attempt to do today. And then we're going to get into my full initial review of Miss Tessa. But you guys, have I worn short hair in a while? I feel like I haven't worn short hair in a while on my channel. Like, I don't know what to do with myself with short hair. Don't know what to do. This is what the wig is looking like after cutting the lace off. I do want to get a little bit closer, that way y'all can see what I actually left on the wig. I did decide to actually leave a little bit of lace right here over where my edges are, just to kind of protect my edges, because I am going to go in with hair from the wig to make a swoop of baby hairs over that, so you're not even going to be able to tell that that's there. But I wanted the wig to lay as flat as possible, and I noticed that it was laying down flat already with that section of lace up there, so I kept that right there on both sides. I didn't leave as much as I wanted on this side. Alright you guys, so I am going to be using some alcohol to clean my hairline. I did apply coconut oil to my skin earlier, so I just want to clean my hairline so that way the makeup that I applied to the lace doesn't create like a white cast from the Got To Be Free spray. That's something that I have noticed, and also sometimes the edge control that I use to swoop my hair back underneath my cap kind of comes down on my skin, so I just try to make sure we have a nice clean base so that way the lace does stick so that way the lace lays down as seamlessly as possible and we don't have any issues. I did not adjust the straps. I kept the straps adjusted the way that they come on the wig, so far so good with the tightness of the wig. I'm gonna shift the wig to the left. Ooh, so yeah, no. I mean, if you want an asymmetrical bob look, I guess you could go for it, but it ain't for me. This bob isn't long enough like I thought to. Yeah, it would be a difference if the shorter side was on this side and the longer side was on this side, but I mean, to each his own. It's your preference. You can rock your wig however way you want to rock your wig, sis, but I'm just gonna stick with the middle part. So I'm gonna go ahead, spray that Got To Be Free spray up there and lay my lace down, and then we're gonna come back after I do some baby hairs. I'm gonna talk about this wig, y'all. So this is what Miss Tessa is looking like. You guys, I mean, y'all already can see it in my face. This wig is 2 thumbs up for me, a 10 out of 10, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. Number one reason is this hairline is phenomenal. I did play with 2 different types of baby hairs just because I did not know how realistic the hairline was gonna look with baby hairs. So I did some thinner, shorter baby hairs on this side. Now this is actually my hair right here. Like I was showing you guys in the beginning, the way I cut the lace, I cut it so that way my sideburns would show. I have low growing sideburns, so I can't really get around that. So that's kind of how I mimic it when I have natural hair colors. It's just by pulling my edges out, and you really can't even tell that the lace stops right here and this is my hair. So that is something that I really do love about this wig, is the hairline. Now, as I said, I did do some more dramatic thick baby hairs just because I didn't really know how it was gonna come out, and I did this side first before I did this side. So this is definitely my favorite side, that's why we rocking this side. But next time that I do apply this wig, I'm gonna try this baby hair method on both sides. But yeah, so I really do love that about this wig. Now, if you didn't want to wear baby hairs, you could always just pull this section of the wig to the front and just wear it simply like this in the middle part. But the reason why I did the baby hairs and push the hair back is just to show you guys that you can get a little creative with this wig. You don't have to be subjected to just wearing this wig in the middle part. And y'all know I like to jazz it up a little bit. I am thinking about showing you guys another hairstyle that I thought about with this wig. Let me know down below in the comments if you want to see me style this wig in a different hairstyle. Let me know, because I don't want to give it to y'all if y'all don't really want it. But just let me know, because I am thinking of a different look with this wig. Just not quite sure if y'all want to see it. So y'all gotta let me know if y'all want to see it, okay? Talk to me in the comments. But yes, so getting back into the pros. Honestly, the part, like I said, was my favorite thing about the wig. The hairline, the density on this wig is perfect. So if you need an everyday wig, if you're working somewhere where you really can't have a lot of hair on your head, if you just simply want something that you can throw on and go out the house, this is definitely that wig. I like how this wig is full, even though that it's a shorter texture. and shorter texture. Because it's the shorter length, I didn't think it was going to be that full, but this wig is pretty full for the length. I do love the texture. That's what I was trying to say. You guys, the texture is amazing. Like, literally. If I was to get my hair cut into a bob and blown out, this is literally what it would look like. 2 thumbs up for the Janet collection on this texture. I'm really, really loving the texture. They did an amazing job on that. So I'm just going to turn around because I don't think I showed you guys the back of the wig, how it's laying on me. It is a very short bob, short to the nape. I like that because it's not really bothering my neck. I really can't stand a bob. Like, I don't like those in-between bobs. I like a bob that's short like this or all the way down to the shoulders, like a shoulder length bob. But this one is perfect. Tangling. Now, I mentioned in the beginning that shorter synthetic wigs don't really tangle for me. And I'm not getting no tangles at all. I've been playing with this wig ever since I put it on my head. I've been touching it, combing it, brushing it, doing everything to it, and I have not gotten any tangles. Now, I don't sleep in my wigs, so just to throw that out there, if you do sleep in your wigs, you probably will receive some tangling just because you're moving around in the bed when you have your wig on. So synthetic wigs to last longer, just don't sleep in them. That's one thing that I know is true, and it works. So, yeah, so my cons about Miss Tessa. Let's get into the cons. That's right, I don't have any. I have no cons about this wig. This is literally the first wig that I have shown you guys on my channel that I have nothing bad to say about it. Like, it's true to the length, it's true to what it says it's on the box. HD lace, nice texture, like it's lightweight, it's easy to work with, definitely beginner friendly, and it's affordable. So you guys, Miss Tessa gets a 10 out of 10 from the Ashley Michelle. If you want to get your hands on this poppin' gorgeous unit, definitely make sure you check out the links down below in the description box because I am going to link them to this wig. And also definitely make sure you follow me on Instagram if you want to see how I styled this wig later on this week. Like I said, I am going to a wedding, so I'm super duper excited. I don't know. I may just decide to throw some makeup on and do that hairstyle that I was thinking about. Maybe, I don't know. But overall, I'm just so in love with this wig. Like, this is literally perfect for me for work. I'm always on my feet when I'm at work, so I definitely like something that's not too busy, but it's just exactly what I need. And I just love just the overall look of this wig. Like, this is giving me like Miss Michelle, Miss Ashley Michelle. Like, this is giving me literally grown and sexy vibes. Like, this whole entire look, the off the shoulder, the eye look, everything. And oh, if you guys want to see the eye look, definitely make sure that you check out that video. I am going to upload the whole entire makeup look to this video after I upload this one, so definitely make sure you check that out. But you guys, I mean, Miss Tessa, she's the bomb. Like, she's literally the bomb. Like, she's the wig that you throw on, your man ain't acting right, you grab Miss Tessa out the closet and you let him know what it is and what it ain't gonna be, okay? I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all know I got to play with y'all. Y'all know I gotta make y'all laugh. Gotta make y'all laugh. Life is boring without laughter, okay? Life is boring without laughter. So yes, this is definitely Miss CEO vibes, grown and sexy vibes. Like, yes, I'm loving this wig. And I mean, for real, you can't even tell me that she's synthetic. Synthetic where? Synthetic who? Who? Synthetic where? Let me know. Let me know, because I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it. Let me know. Let me know. All right, you guys, that is all that I have for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it and definitely learned something new. Do not forget to drop me a comment down below of your thoughts on this Tessa wig by the Janet collection. And also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that way we all can be fabulous together. And most importantly, remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.